Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to text people or send messages on TikTok. Open your TikTok app. Then you can watch videos uploaded by TikTok users. So first you need to click on the profile icon next to the video. Now you can see this follow button in here. If you have followed the user before, you will see a message button in here. First, click on this follow button and now you can see a message button instead of the follow button. So tap on this message button to text with that person. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.